How to fix TikTok couldn't upload the video problem. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search icon and type TikTok. Now click on search. Now tap on TikTok and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now find TikTok. Now simply tap on TikTok, click on Force Stop, and go to Storage Usage. Now tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Delete. Now go to Permissions. Now scroll down. Now select Photos and Videos and give the permissions. Now simply go back to the home screen and restart TikTok. I hope this should fix it so. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.